this hard.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will share with you my pregnancy self-care day. Basically how I pampered myself during this pregnancy. Guys, currently I'm 37 weeks pregnant and I've been having these compliments lately about my pregnancy glow, which I love so much. My hair has been a mess for days and I decided to wash it today. I followed this basic step, which is just shampoo, mask, and conditioner. Guys, this new product that I just added to my routine, which is the Xhc Argan oil product. Guys, this is really incredible. The smell, the way it latters, everything just works perfectly for my hair. And this is my favorite product at this moment. Guys, as you can see, my hair is really dirty, so I'll be doing this washing twice. First wash, I rinse and I go again with the second wash and I also rinse off. After that, still the same XHC Argan oil mask. I'll be applying a generous amount and allow it to sit in for 5 minutes before rinsing off. While waiting for the 5 minutes to be done, I decided to brush my teeth because I have to work with time because I have a toddler who is waiting for me. Brush my teeth with this Sensodyne sensitive teeth toothpaste. This is the only toothpaste I can use that is not going to give me any toothache or something. Without this toothpaste, I can't brush my teeth, guys. This is just the only toothpaste I can use to brush my teeth. So after brushing my teeth, it's time for me to rinse off the ear mask, which I did. So I rinse it off with warm water, and after that, I go in with my conditioner. For the conditioner, I will also apply the same method of mask. I put a generous amount, I let that sit in and I rinse it out. Guys, if you notice, I do not comb my hair initially because my hair is very thick, strong. I don't even know what to call this. So I actually do comb my hair or detangled my hair after applying products just to soften it or after applying water. So after applying the marks which I added earlier, I was able to comb it a little bit, not really too much because it was still giving me headache and I don't want to add that to my problem currently because I'm 37 weeks pregnant. So I don't want to be battling with headache because of my hair. So I just allow it to soften as much as possible before I can even detangle it. Guys, while waiting for the conditioner to do its work, I decided to to remove my hair from my armpits. I use this Vit and shaving stick mostly. I've never tried waxing before. I don't know, maybe one of these days I'll give that a try. Basically, I'm just a Vit girl because that's so easy and pain free. Anything that has to come with pain, guys, please don't count me in. I don't like pain. So guys, yeah, I'm using this Vit, which is also for sensitive skin. And guys, this is so nice. I love the way it removes my hair from my armpit and also from every other part of my body. I use it for my private area also as well, and also I use it for my arm and legs because I'm a hairy lady. I have hair all over my body. This actually helped me to remove the hair easily with no pain at all. Sometimes I actually shave too, but that is just once in a while when I'm in between using Vit or just shaving. So what I do basically for this is just I'll apply a just a little amount actually goes a long way to the part I want to remove the hair, and I'll allow that to sit for a while. Guys, one thing I notice about this vid is that the longer it takes, the better it works. So if you want to let it remove the hair perfectly, you just have to be patient. But in this video, guys, to be sincere, I don't have that time to just stand for long because as you can see, I've been standing and I don't have that time. I have a toddler to attend to, and guys, I just don't want to like overdo it, so I couldn't wait for so long. But it actually do the job, like, but not like okay the way it's going to remove all the hair. It's not that bad, seriously, it's not that bad. But next time, or if you want to try this on your own, I will advise you to wait for a longer time. I think it has instruction at the back, like the product has the instruction on how you can do this at the back, so you can actually follow the instruction and it works perfectly. So after the shaving and removing the hair all over my body, it's like this that I know that I'm using Vit on my body, guys. I tend to scrub because I believe that there might be some particles that might have actually deposited on my skin. So I try to scrub it with my scrub. You will see that very soon in this video too, on how I scrub my body and also how I exfoliate my skin, guys. So basically I'm trying to rinse off with water because the should I call it a scraper, I don't know what to call that, wasn't working well. So I just decided, let me just rinse this off with warm water, and I will use my sponge to yeah, just to remove it. But I do this twice, so I'm going to like wash the body twice because I just don't want that because I believe it's a chemical, which is true, and I don't want that to actually like just still be on my skin and still working. So what I just do is that I wash twice and I also scrub my body anytime I apply Vit to my body. So guys, for bathing, I use this soap. Is a black soap. I'll put a picture up there for you to see. Is a black soap and it's actually little as well. And yeah, it's just a black soap. And guys, you should know what a black soap does to the body. Nothing much, but I just like the fact that it's a black soap. And so for the my face, I use this CeraVe because my face is prone to acne, and also because of this period that I am, I tend to break out more. So I just use this CeraVe. Like actually I've been using this CeraVe for like almost 2 years now. And yeah, I just love the way it works on my face. It works perfectly for me. It helps me to reduce the pimples, my acne. It just works. I just love the way it works for my face. So for my body wash, I use this Melanin Even Tone. It's from Dove and it's a new product in my routine. This is the first time I'll be trying this product out in this video, guys. Guys, about this product, what I can say about it is that it has like a scrub inside. Like okay, like even without scrub, Using this makes me feel like I'm exfoliating my body, and also it latters well and it has a very nice smell. Guys, I'm a fans of smell. Like, before buying a product or any skincare, whatever, anytime I smell it and it's like, I buy product mainly because of how it smells, because I actually love to smell good and smell nice. And yeah, this actually smells so good. I love the smell. That is just one of the reasons why I got this. And guys, after using this, I think I'm going to stick to this product because I love this. Guys, all the products I use in this video are all from Omogi Beauty Up. So I'll put their Instagram handle in the description below so you can check them out. So guys, I'm using this Dr. T Probiotic Lemon Balm for my scrub. Guys, I was using the soap and the body cream before, but I finished the soap, the body wash before this, so that was why I switched to that Dove now. Yeah, guys, about this scrub, guys, this scrub, it's so good, so good. I like the way it smells. It gives me this calmness after using it. It's just so good, guys, and it actually exfoliates the skin. So because I use Vit earlier, that is why I'm scrubbing. Guys, I scrub like twice a week normally, especially during this pregnancy, because I tend to have black head at the back of my, at around my shoulder area at the back. So I believe that scrubbing will actually reduce all those stuffs. Yeah, it's pregnancy. Pregnancy comes with a lot of stuff. So yeah. Um After scrubbing, I rinse off with warm water, and that is all for my shower routine. This is all what I do, not every day though, but at least twice in a Guys, don't get me wrong, I don't do this every day. It's not even possible for me to do this every day. I do this basically once in twice in a week or once a week, depending on my routine and my schedule. But guys, because of this pregnancy, I tend to prioritize self-care more, because I believe that it actually um it helps me throughout this pregnancy. Like, it actually helps me. So after that, guys, I'm going in with this face fact lactic acid serum for my face. It helps to reduce acne, and also it helps to reduce spots. I have some couple of spots on my face, and it actually helps, like, to, it improves it. And I've been seeing changes. I started this like 2 weeks ago, and seriously, it has been helping my face. For my facials, guys, I don't really do too much because I'm pregnant, and I don't believe I should be putting too much product on my face, especially during this period. So after the serum I used, the next thing is just going to be my moisturizer and my SPF and my lip balm. That's all what I do for my face, especially during this period. Maybe when I'm done with this pregnancy, I can try to add a lot of things to my routine. But due to the pregnancy, guys, I don't do too much, because there are some product that is not even advisable to be using by a pregnant woman. There's some product that you cannot even use as a pregnant woman. So that is just one of the reasons why I don't do too much, because I just don't want to contaminate the baby or whatever. I don't know if that's what I'm supposed to say. Yeah, so I just use my moisturizer, which is also from CeraVe, and my sunscreen.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
For my body, guys, I started using this Palmiers cocoa butter formula because I love the way it smells. I'm a fan of cocoa butter. Anything cocoa butter, guys, count me in. Coconut smell, all sort of things. Yeah, I love those smells. So, guys, I'm using this because actually I guess I'm not so sure, but I think it helps to reduce stretch mark. And guys, no pregnancy actually comes with a lot of stretch mark, and I have a few like a few around my stomach area due to my first pregnancy, which I yet to clear off because if you know I have my baby back to back, like so I'm not so sure it's not going to clear or it's going to clear, but yeah, with time we are going to see. So for my bum, guys, I use this baby oil. I use this baby oil, guys. I'll put the list of everything I use in the description below. Guys, this baby oil, I use baby oil or any other oil, not really a particular brand I use. The paint is just to moisturize, and also the bums gets to get dry. The oil moisturize it well and just to reduce the dryness. So after adding the oil, I massage that in, guys. I use coconut oil depending on the one I was able to lay my hands on, but because I just changed my baby, that's why I use this oil. Then after that, guys, I use Vaseline on the bump as well. Yes, I do use Vaseline because it's Harmattan season, guys, and you know how dry everything can be. The oil cannot be enough, and I also use Vaseline on my body, especially during this Harmattan period. So, guys, because I use Vit on my armpit, guys, I decided to put Vaseline there too as well. This is just something I do just to reduce bumps. So guys, for my ear now, I use this product. This is Mizani. I use this product to just condition my ear. It's like a leave-in conditioner. And guys, God, this product, it's so good, guys. This product, it's so amazing. It's softening the hair. It makes the hair very easy for me to comb. It's just so good and also very very good, guys. If you notice, I have some like a two-tone of hair, guys. What happened was I decided to change the color all by myself, and guys, if you know, DIY things can actually ruin something. So that's why. But I'm trying to like, okay, maybe after this pregnancy, I can actually change the color also. So guys, basically that is all what I do for my self-care day routine as a pregnant woman in a 37 weeks. Like that is my third trimester. Guys, currently I'm going out. I have a doctor appointment today. And guys, yeah. Anyways, guys, I do not add water. Guys, I drink a lot of water in this period too as well. More than 1 liter of water per day. Like I take more than 1 liter of water per day. And also, guys, the help of this pregnancy drug, I don't know what to call it. I think it's my prenatals. It's actually from, this is not what I actually use. This is pregnancy care plus. I use the max and I was unable to get the max. I was just, let me just get this because my baby is coming soon. Guys, in case you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye, guys.